As we all know, rental LED displays are always portable, meaning frequent transportation, disassembly and assembly. Inadequate protection of the screen during the process may cause more damage, more maintenance costs and lower ROI, which are the most common pain points of rental clients. How do Unilumin rental solutions overcome them? The secret is U-Shield technology, one of Unilumin's top 10 black technologies. Aiming at preventing the screen from regular damage, Unilumin's R&D team dedicated 18 months to the successful development of U-Shield tech. Compared with other traditional products, Unilumin's U-Shield tech reduces the lamp fall rate and maintenance volume by 90% and increases the turnover rate by 5 times. For example, the thrust of LED lamps of P2.6 is up to 13 kg 130N, 5 times than that of traditional lamps. Durable and reliable lamps of U-Shield tech greatly save maintenance and replacement costs, holding more value and bringing benefits continuously for clients. Special technology allows the surface of lamp an ultra-wide viewing angle without specular reflection. The audience can see complete and clear images from any angles they stand. The lamps with high brightness chips and all black frames feature ultra-high contrast ratio and vivid color reproduction really suited for HDR shooting. Firstly used in UPAD 4 of UPAD series, U-Shield tech is available for P1.5, P1.9 and P2.6, fully fit for indoor fine-pitch scenarios. In the future, U-Shield tech will be applied to more Unilumin displays to offer you unrivaled user experience. Rental indoor fine pitch, all in Unilumin U-Shield technology.